Hi, in this Excel tutorial, we'll go over how to use the camera tool in Excel. The camera tool lets you do dynamic screenshots that are linked to the source that you captured with it. This means that if the cells in your screenshot change, your screen capture will automatically update to reflect the changes. This is great to use for presentations, dashboards, or for team projects where multiple users are making updates. By using the camera tool, you can see in real time any changes made. And by the way, if you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for even more tips. So the first thing you'll need to do is make sure that you have the camera tool available. If you don't see it, you'll want to come up to your tabs and with your cursor over any of the tabs, right-click and choose either Customize Quick Access Toolbar or the ribbon. I'm going to choose the ribbon. And under Choose Commands From, I'm going to choose All Commands and then scroll until you find the camera. And then once you do, you'll need to decide which tab you want to include it in, create a new group, click Add, and then OK. So to show you how this works, let me arrange a couple of windows so we can see them next to each other. This can be done in the View tab under Arrange All, and I'm going to arrange them vertically. So next, we'll highlight the cells that we want to capture for our dynamic screenshot. And by the way, it may be tempting to try and capture the entire worksheet, but at least for me, I get an error that the image is too big when I try to do that. So after highlighting the area that you want, simply click on the camera button and then come to your other worksheet and just click anywhere and the new dynamic picture will automatically paste. So notice in the formula bar how the image is linked to the cells that we just copied. This means that any changes we make to those cells will show up in this image. So watch what happens if, for example, I get rid of the grid lines. And let's say I make a change to the hours worked. So notice how as I did that, this image here automatically updated to reflect those changes. All right, so let's go back to this spreadsheet and notice that when we pasted this image, the Pictures tool tab came up. This means that this dynamic picture can be formatted like any other picture. And if you happen to ever need to change or break this link, you can come here to the Data tab and under Queries and Connections, click on Edit Links to make any changes that you need. So I hope you found this tutorial helpful to learn how to use Excel's camera tool. If you enjoyed it, please make sure to like the video and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thanks.